Hello? Sometimes people ask how to balance their system, how to make sure that all rooms are heating equally. Today I will show how to make commissioning, how to make balancing on Danfoss manifold. Doesn't matter it is brass or stainless steel manifold, it works fully the same, and even doesn't matter if you have flow meters or you have manifold without flow meters. Actually, flow meters here are not really make sense, because the whole balancing and the whole commissioning we do with presetting, which is on the actuator. So in a minute I will take this out and I will show how to make commissioning. Flow meters, some say that flow meters has to show one line, or they should be aligned into one line, which is totally not true. And each flow meter should have different flow, and it depends on how big the room is, how big the circuit is, and what is connected. It might be, for example, that you have some circuits are very long and some circuits are very short. So these circuits should be on very low flow, and the bigger circuits should be on a higher flow. But in many cases, nobody knows these flows, and nobody knows what to set on these flow meters. So flow meters sometimes makes no sense, because nobody knows how much flow you need to how much flow you need to set on each flow meter. So I need a key. I take a key and I take off these actuators. Okay, what we can see here is our presetting. It is N, normally open, or nominal flow, and here is a mark inside of brass. Here is a mark. So this means that thermostat is fully open, and everyone goes from factory fully open. In my hand is thermostat, actually the same, which is integrated into manifold, and I will show what is inside so everyone would understand what it is. So N, nominal flow, here is mark, and it is fully open, there is no limitation. And if I make limitation, for example 7, so I have flow restriction right here coming. So at 7, at 6, at 5, at 4, at 2, at 1 I have very small, here you can see, very small hole for a flow to be balanced. So this setting means presetting, and we can do this presetting without flow. We take instruction. And here, according pipe dimension, 16, 18 or 20, we can find out what presetting we would need. So for example, in this example, we have the N20 pipe. We should know every circuit. So the first one is 100, second one is 80, 85, 70, 60, and 40 meters. So according the longest circuit, we mark this column as our reference column, and according this we balance all circuits. So for example, circuit 1 is 100, so it is the maximum one. It will always be on N nominal flow, fully open. Another circuit is 85 meters, it will be on 5.5, 70 meters will be 4.5, 60 meters would be 3.5, 40 meters would be 2.5, and if I would have, for example, 10 meters, short circuit, 10 meters, it will be presetting 1. So in this case, I set here flows. First one is N, second one is 5.5, 5.5 somewhere here, 4.5, 3.5, 3.5 and 2.5. Okay, 2.5, and the shortest one is 1. It works on both directions. It doesn't matter which one you prefer. So, marking 1. Okay. So, that's how we do commissioning of our manifold, and now we can be sure that then we start the heating system, all circuits will be heated equally, and temperature in all rooms will be more or less the same. After they did this commissioning, the rest will do automatic. Actually, done for Cyclone automatic, if talking about this one, it already has automatic balancing inside, and using actuators, it can balance system without this commissioning. But my advice is always do this commissioning, no matter what kind of automatic or room control you have. Okay, hope it was useful. Thank you and goodbye.